Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, conic section, that means parabola, ellipse and hyperbola related previous eamcet questions I am going to discuss. It will help for eamcet 2023 preparation also. So be careful and listen carefully dear students. Let P of 3 comma 6 be a point on the parabola y square equal to 12x. If L1 is the length of normal chord drawn from the point P and L2 is the length of focal chord drawn through the point P, then L1 by L2 equal to. Here two important points are there. One is length of normal chord. Second one is length of focal chord. From the point P of 3, 6. So we need to know the formulas of length of normal chord and length of focal chord at the point 3, 6. So in terms of parametric points, it will be very easy. First, what is the given equation of parabola? Y square is equal to 12x. Compare this equation with y square is equal to 4ax. So that implies that 4a is equal to 12. Therefore, a is equal to 3. Clear information, we got it. A value 3. The given point is there now. So, P of 3, 6 that is equal to 80 square, 280 parametric point on the parabola. So, either x coordinates or y coordinates you have to equate. So, you will get 6 is equal to 280. A value 3 substitute here. So 6 is equal to 6t, that implies t is equal to 1. A value, t value, whenever we got it. Now the formulas related to length of normal chord, length of focal chord, I will write it. L1 is equal to length of normal chord, length of normal chord. These are the shortcuts, dear students. 8 times of a into root of 1 plus t1 square, t square. This is the formula for length of normal chord. What is the value of a? 3. What is the value of t? 1. Substitute in this calculate. 8 into 3 square root of 1 plus 1 square. So 24 root 2. This is the value of L1. Similarly, the length of focal chord in terms of a and t. L2 is equal to length of focal chord. So which is equal to a into t plus 1 by t whole square. This is the standard result, dear students. So a value, t value substitute here. A value 3, t value 1. So 3 into 1 plus 1, 2. 2 square is 4. So 4 3s are 12. But they are asking here L1 by L2. Therefore, L1 divided by L2 is equal to, what is L1 value? 24 root 2 divided by L2 value 12. So 12 ones are 12 twos are. That is equal to 2 root 2. Therefore, the option is the first option. I hope you understand it, friends. You need to remember the length of normal chord in terms of A and T is 8a root of 1 plus t square. Length of focal chord a into t plus 1 by t whole square, which are the shortcut formulas you need to remember. In parabola. Now come to the question. This belongs to ellipse. A tangent is drawn 3 root 3 cos theta, sin theta. So it is a parametric point on the ellipse. A cos theta, b sin theta. So this is x1, this is y1. So tangent equation drawn at the point. So the equation of tangent is s1 equal to 0. So what is s1 equal to 0? x1 by a square means 27 plus y1 by b square equal to 1. In place of x1, y1, substitute the values. So x into 3 root 3 cos theta divided by 27 plus y into y1 value sin theta divided by 1 equal to 1. This is here 3 ones, 3 nines will be cancelled. Even if you want to simplify, 9 can be written as 3 into root 3 into root 3. So one of the root 3 cancel means 3 root 3 will come, dear students. So this you can write in the intercept form. So x divided by 3 root 3, this cos theta, if it comes to the denominator, it will be secant theta, no? Am I right? Plus y divided by sin theta, it comes to the denominator, cosecant theta, reciprocal of sin. It is in the form of x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is x intercept. This is y intercept. Why I am converting into the intercept form? The value of theta for which the sum of intercepts on the axis made by it means tangent, attains minimum. Sum of the intercepts. Sum of the intercepts. So x intercept and y intercept. X intercept denoted by a, y intercept denoted by b. So a plus b, that is equal to a value 3 root 3 secant theta plus cosecant theta. Sum of the intercepts in terms of theta is there. So this is the function I am taking as f of theta. Attains minimum. So for maxima or minima, what we need to calculate? F dash of theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. F dash of theta equal to. So differentiate with respect to theta. 3 root 3 constant. D by dx of secant x is secant x tan x. D by d theta of secant theta is secant theta tan theta. D by dx of cosecant x minus cosecant square minus cosecant theta cot theta. So d by dx of cosecant x is minus cosecant theta cos theta. So minus cosecant theta cot theta. For maxima or minima, according to question minimum, f dash of theta equal to 0. That implies 3 root 3 secant theta tan theta is equal to cosecant theta into cot theta. So that implies 3 root 3 secant theta is 1 by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta is equal to, here secant theta, cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. This is cos theta by sin theta. So cross multiply sin theta into sin square theta, sin cube theta. Sin cube theta into root 3 is equal to cos cube theta. So sin cube cos cube theta, I am taking this sin cube theta by cos cube theta is equal to 1 by 3 root 3. Tan cube theta is equal to, this 1 by 3 root 3, can we write 1 by root 3 whole cube? We can write it. So that implies tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan theta, when it will be 1 by root 3, that is important. 30 days. So tan theta is equal to tan, in terms of theta, thirty means pi by 6. So comparing the angles, theta equal to pi by 6. So it is there in the first option, dear students. I hope everyone understand. I'll move on to the next question. So here in this question, the concept which is not only from conic section but also first year concept of maxima and minima, they covered. We'll move on to the next one. Yeah, the next question. A line perpendicular to x-axis cuts the circle x square plus y square equal to 9 at A and the ellipse 4x square plus 9y square equal to 36 at B such that A and B lie on the same line, same quadrant. If theta is the greatest acute angle between the tangents, here also maximum minima concept they included. In the year of 2019 previous eamcet', TS, this type of question they are asking. Keep in mind, dear students, you need to apply concepts. That is the reason conceptually if you learn, you will get it. So, perpendicular to x-axis. So, draw the figure of x-axis and y-axis. According to this one, this is the circle equation. Okay? Circle equation. And one other is ellipse equation. Both the centers are same. Centers means this is the ellipse equation. A line perpendicular to x-axis. Suppose the line I am taking perpendicular to x-axis and it meets the circle in the point A and it meets the ellipse in the point B. The 2 points in the same quadrant, observe carefully, both are in the same quadrant, and such that if theta is greatest, what is theta here? Tangent equation drawn at the points. See here how I am going to draw the tangents. This is the tangent from point B, tangent from point A. So these are intersecting here. This acute angle they are asking. Otherwise, you take it here. This acute angle. Both the tangents are here. Acute angle is theta. Okay. So now parametric equation I am taking now. This is the tangent equation, parametric equation, parametric tangent equation of the ellipse for the ellipse in terms of parametric. Parametric equation of tangent. So what is the parametric point of the circle? According to the circle, A point is r cos theta or sin theta. So r value 3 square we can write now. 9 can be written as 3 cos theta comma 3 sin theta. So at the point A I am taking x1 y1. B point is a cos theta comma b sin theta. So this given equation of circle, first circle x square plus y square is equal to 9 can be written as 3 square. This is compared with r square. No, r is equal to 3. R cos theta, r sin theta parametric point related to this one. Next x square by 36 by 4 means it will become as 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. So parametric point for the equation of ellipse will be b of a means here a square is equal to 9, a is equal to 3. 3 cos theta comma b sin theta. B means what? 2 sin theta. So this is also x1 y1. So tangent equation at A, tangent equation at B. So tangent equation of tangent at A. Tangent at A is S1 equal to 0. For the circle now, S1 means xx1 plus yy1 is equal to a square, means r square is 9. x1 y1 values according to this is x into 3 cos theta plus y into 3 sin theta is equal to 9. Both sides 3 will be cancelled. It will becomes x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to 3 or minus 3 equal to 0, dividing by 3 mark. This is the first equation of tangent whose slope I am taking as m1. Slope of this equation, slope m1 is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient, minus cos theta by sin theta. Therefore, it will be minus cot theta. Okay. After that, same equation of tangent at this point also calculate. Equation of tangent equation of tangent at B. There also x1 by a square. A square means 9. Y1 by b square equal to 1. In place of x1, y1, this point substitute and simplify. X into 3 cos theta divided by 9 plus y into 2 sin theta divided by 4 is equal to 1. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So therefore x into cos theta by 3 plus y into 2 ones are 2 twos are sin theta divided by 2, that 1 we can take this side minus 1. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 only now. Slope of this one, slope of second equation. Slope m2 equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient minus cos theta by 3 by sin theta by 2. So we can write it as minus 2 by 3 cot theta. So m1, m2, if you know angle between them is theta, then here you can take as alpha better. So tan alpha is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 mod m1 value minus cot theta minus of minus plus 2 by 3 cot theta divided by 1 plus m1 m2 1 plus cot square theta into 2 by 3. So if you simplify this, you will get minus 3 cot theta plus 2 cot theta is minus cot theta. Here 3 get cancelled by 3 plus 2 cot square theta. Even if you simplify, it will come cot theta by 3 plus 2 cot square theta tan alpha. So now what I am doing is tan alpha is equal to f of alpha is equal to cot theta divided by 3 plus 2 cot square theta. For maxima or minimum they are saying greatest acute angle, greatest or least, f dash of theta is required. Differentiate with respect to alpha. So you have to differentiate with respect to theta only, you can take it, no? With respect to theta. Yeah. So f dash of alpha is equal to, that is u by v formula, dear students. Here 3 plus 2 cot square theta whole square v square v into 3 plus 2 cot square theta into d by dt of cot theta, d by dx of cot x minus cosecant square x. So minus cosecant square theta minus cot theta into d by d theta of 3 constant derivative 0 plus 2 into f of x whole power n formula. So 2 into cot theta, again cot theta derivative minus cosecant square theta. So for maxima or minima, f dash of x equal to 0. For maxima or minima, why you are writing sir maxima or minima? Here greatest they mentioned. Greatest or least, maxima or minima. F dash of theta equal to 0. So if you take f dash of alpha, f dash of theta equal to 0, alpha, theta, whatever you can do, maybe 0. If you do the cross multiplication means the denominator value goes to be 0 only. So directly I am writing. So 3 plus 2 cot square theta into minus cosecant square theta minus into minus plus cot theta into cosecant square theta into 4 cot square theta. Here cot theta, sorry, 4 cot theta is equal to 0. The denominator also I am going to take this side. So 1 by 1 simplify. Minus 3 cosecant square theta minus 2 cot square theta cosecant square theta. So here also plus after taking LCM here, minus 3 cosecant square theta, that's okay. Yeah, yes, sir. Here 4 cot square theta, cosecant square theta, everything is right. So these minus values I'm taking, oh, before that I will simplify more. Minus 3 cosecant square theta, from this 2 cot square theta into cosecant square theta is equal to 0. Cosecant square theta, you take it common. Cosecant square theta, if you take out common, 2 cot square theta minus 3. So cosecant square theta is equal to 0 means cosecant theta is also 0. But theta value is 0 if you take, there is no bearing to calculate maximum and minima. So we cannot consider this. So another case, we'll go for this one. 2 cot square theta minus 3 equal to 0. So cot square theta is equal to 3. So cot square theta is equal to 3 by 2. So now we have to calculate here from this cot theta also. So root 3 by root 2. They are asking maximum greatest acute angle value in terms of. So greatest or this theta value substitute in f of alpha. So therefore f of alpha is equal to cot theta by, this is the maximum greatest value. Greatest value 3 plus 2 cot square theta. So cot theta means root 3 by root 2 by 3 plus 2 into cot square theta means 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. So it is equal to root 3 divided by root 2 into 3 plus 3 6. More simplification, root 3 divided by root 2 into 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So that implies, no implies root 3. So root 3 times will be cancelled now. So in the numerator 1 by 2 into root 3 into root 2 is root 6. So maximum value, greatest value, greatest acute angle value is 1 by 2 root 6. It is there in the second option, dear students. Slowly, but easy only. You can, according to the draw the figure, according to the question, you understand and go. It will be very easy, dear students. Of course, it is little lengthy. Sir, why sir you are only taking like this? Most of the students they are asking. For your understanding purpose, I am doing, dear students. You can understand that. The next question. If E1 is the eccentricity of the ellipse, x square by 16 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. E1 is the eccentricity of the ellipse. In this case, clearly we are observing that A is less than B. Whenever A is less than B, eccentricity E is equal to root over B square minus A square by B square. First we will calculate here. Root of 25 minus 16 divided by 25, that is equal to root 9 divided by 25, that is equal to 3 by 5. And also one more condition, E2 is the eccentricity of the hyperbola. What hyperbola they did not mention, but condition is given. E2 is the eccentricity of the hyperbola, eccentricity of hyperbola. What type of hyperbola is not mentioned. But condition is given, E1 into E2 is equal to 1. They mentioned as 1. Whenever the product of two eccentricities is equal to 1, whose here E2 is equal to, clearly we will get it now. E1 value substitute in this. 3 by 5 if you substitute, E2 is equal to 5 by 3. Hyperbola only eccentricity, E2 value we got it. Whenever E1, E2 is equal to minus 1, this eccentricity is E1, E2 equal to minus 1 means this hyperbola is conjugate hyperbola. You remember, whenever this condition attains, the hyperbola will becomes conjugate hyperbola. Conjugate hyperbola means the required hyperbola equation will be x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to minus 1. Now, this is passing through focus of this ellipse. So, focus of the ellipse. Ellipse eccentricity is 3 by 5. Foci of ellipse. 0 comma plus or minus BE. Whenever A is less than B, foci is this one. So 0 plus or minus B, B value 5, eccentricity value 3 by 5. So 0 comma plus or minus 3. So this is passing through this one. This equation is passing through 0 comma plus or minus 3. So 0 minus y square value plus or minus 3 whole square by b square is equal to minus 1. So b square is equal to 9. So b square value substitute in this. Okay. ये value I want now. Eccentricity. Conjugate hyperbola eccentricity. E2 is equal to 5 by 3. Square root of conjugate hyperbola. 1 plus a square by b square. Otherwise, b square plus a square by b square is equal to 5 by 3. So b value we know that here. Square root of 1 plus a square by 9 is equal to 5 by 3. Squaring on both sides. 1 plus a square by 9 is equal to 25 by 9. So 1 we can take this side. A square by 9 is equal to 25 by 9 minus 1. That is equal to 16 by 9. So 9 get cancelled. A square is equal to 16. So we will get the answer directly. A square value, b square value substitute in this. Therefore, x square by a square value 16 minus y square by b square value 9 equal to minus 1. But nowhere they mention minus 1. But if you multiply on both sides by minus x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Write in the order first positive value y square by 9 minus x square divided by 25 is equal to 1. This option is there, difference. Y square by 9, oh sorry, 16. Y square by 9, here it is there. X square by 16. So second option is the right option. I hope everyone understands, students. Thank you for watching our channel. Please do subscribe to Maths with Panindra. Any doubts are there, please write to my comment box. I will help you in my free time. Thank you all. Jai Hind.